Sentence or fragment. Learn the difference. A sentence is a word group that contains a subject and a verb and that expresses a complete thought. A thought is complete when it makes sense by itself. For example, the sick man had forgotten to take his medicine. This is a complete sentence because it has a subject, a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. Another example of a sentence is, for how many years have you been married? Other example is, what extraordinary strength this bodybuilder has. Another example, hurry! In this example, the subject of the sentence is understood to be you. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Do not confuse a sentence with a sentence fragment. A sentence fragment is a group of words that does not have a subject, a verb, or both. Here is a sentence fragment. Athletes representing the 30 schools. This is not a sentence. It's a fragment. A sentence would be this. Athletes representing the 30 schools competed at the Penn Relays. Practices every day for the competition. That's not a sentence. It doesn't convey a complete thought. However, the band practices every day for the competition. That is a sentence. Also, a group of words may have a subject and a verb, but it's still a sentence fragment because it does not express a complete idea. For example, sentence fragment, the Jeep designed for rough conditions. That's a sentence fragment. However, a sentence is, the Jeep has been designed for rough conditions. Sentence or sentence fragment. Say S if it is a sentence and SF if it is a sentence fragment. Number 1. To have seen the bakery in its glory. Is it a sentence or fragment? Let's go. Time's up, and the answer is sentence fragment. It is a sentence fragment. How about this one? Come on! Is this a sentence or a fragment? Time's up. The answer is sentence. It's a sentence. Remember, in this, the subject is understood to be you. To my surprise, I really enjoyed the ballet recital. How about this example? Is it a sentence or a fragment? Let's go. Time's up. It's a sentence. Yeah. One of the few who made studying English easy. Is it a sentence or a fragment? Time's up. The answer is fragment. Then I had thought it would be, is this a sentence or a fragment? Time's going. Time's up. And the answer is sentence fragment. It's a sentence fragment. How about this one? Although it had seemed unlikely, the fortune teller's prediction came true. Is it a sentence or a fragment? Time's up. The answer is sentence. How about this example? Not one but 2 hungry kids wanted some of Pat's ice cream. Is it a sentence or a fragment? Time's going. Time's up. The answer is, it's a sentence. Where did your family? Is this a sentence or a fragment? Time's up. The answer is, it's a sentence fragment. How about this example? That's a lot of money. Is that a sentence or a fragment? Let's go. Time's up. The The answer is, it's a sentence. Number 10, the final one. Showing his award and gloating. Is this a sentence or a fragment? Time's going. The answer is sentence, fragment. Great job today, guys. See you next time.